I don't know what's happening up there. Looks real sparkly for some reason.
Alright, welcome back. It's not probably gonna be a short video. Since we found this, I'm gonna go back to the Bronco and try and finish that driver's side pan out. Another cat. Come here. Oh, go here. Oh, sorry about that. Anyways, we'll try to finish that pan out across the top. Maybe start on the tubs, get those kind of ground down a little bit, maybe the front sides of them. So all I plan on doing is just using that wheel, get all the paint off, clean it, and then go over with this. Did order the starter for this. It's a 24-volt starter. So I'm probably gonna use the battery I got and snag one from a vehicle that we got here, probably my truck. Pop that thing on, turn it over a little bit. Haven't made up my mind if I'm gonna take the injectors out again, because I might take them out and just let the engine turn over for a minute with the oil change in it. And then if everything seems to be going good, we might put a little diesel and put hose down in my diesel can, see if we can't get it to wants to be helped tonight. See if we can't get it to start up. But that'll be next week. Not sure what day. Hopefully it'll be here by Monday, or at least by Monday or Tuesday, and we could get it on, try it out. But other than that, we're gonna hit the Bronco with this paint and get that driver's side floor pan taken care of. Like I said, I'll probably start up on the tubs and get those as well. But ow. If y'all need a cat, I got one right here. That's Mr. Fat Boy. Anyways, let's head over there and hopefully he'll let me do some stuff. Stinker. I know. Yeah. Okay. We gotta get to work.
All right, we got this done now, so the whole top pan is protected. Had to spray right here. I don't know if you can tell, but 3 drops of this cleaner splashed up on that and ate right through that, so we had to put some more paint on it. But kind of don't know what's happening up there. Looks real sparkly for some reason. But yeah, it's slowly getting there. Still need to do the square tub, take whatever that thing is off, get back in there and get all this through here taken care of too. And we need to fix that. Pretty bad. But happy this is done though.
Well, that's all I got for you tonight. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.